All right. The pullback on gold is as a result of the monthly trying to create a lower high because if you as you can see the market has just been going up without a major pullback. This is the first pullback we had and it wasn't that strong, big. The first pullback. Now this other pullback is the major pullback we have seen so far, and now I guess that pullback is over. So that's the reason. So many people are attributing the war within US and Iran as the cause of the pullback. No, normally in a war time like that, the major currencies are weak. Why investors tend to invest their money in gold? It will shoot the price of gold. But if you can see during the war, the price of gold was coming down, but people were like, yeah, fundamental because of the war and the rest. No, it was because of the pullback we are expecting. No matter what is happening, even when the market is about to do pullback, even if the news is good for US dollar, it will still fall down the price because the pullback is technicality. It is a must in the market. The market does not just go in a straight pole. It's a staircase, upstairs, stair, downstairs. Now, this for the weekly, you can see we are done in our weekly pullback. So, had it been the weekly close below this line, then we'll know is a downtrend for now. But now you can see there is a retrace. It retraced from this place back and it gave us morning star like I told you in the weekly analysis. I said this morning star in the weekly time frame is a bullish pattern and all you expect to see a pullback to this zone and it has done it, and a push to this other zone. If there is a break from this zone, then the market will continue higher. But if this zone rejects this candle, then we'll be trading between this zone and this zone. But one thing I know of, morning star candle like this give you minimum three blue candles, three weekly blue candles, which is this is the first one, another one will open next week, and the other week another one will open. So all I'm saying is the bull market is on. Now if you watch the market yesterday, as at when Trump said there's a deal for 2 weeks to ceasefire, that's what led to the push up. But on a normal, if not that gold is moving to the upside, on a normal that speech enough is enough to stop any movement upward because it means there is confidence in US dollar. Investors will now remove their money from gold and invest in the US dollar. But since that speech came, it was the opposite. It pushed the dollar upward. But now when you hear a bomb now, the bomb is supposed to push the dollar, the gold upward. But in this scenario, because of the pullback we saw then, this pullback, anything bump will fall the price more. But now if there's a bomb now, it will push the market up because the pullback is over. So any news concerning war pushes the gold upward because gold is a safe haven where investors keep their money. Unlike the dollar, it will lose value and the rest, but gold does not lose its value. So now we're expecting a new high. So let us keep our fingers crossed. Like I said, our yesterday daily chart was, I said, according to the month daily buyers, So we have a high above this one and gave us, yeah, there is a gap between this, but I hope this resistance doesn't push the market downward to this gap and before the up move. But let us see what's happening, because now if you watch the 4 hours, the 4 hours has given us a higher high that is higher than the previous high. If you watch, this was the previous high, this was the previous high, and now we have the higher low now and a new higher high. So you know, after every high, the market tends to either retrace before the new high again, or go higher for a while before coming to make a lower high. So whichever the case, let us note gold is bullish. Take only bullish trades. Like, subscribe, and your comments if this analysis is helpful to you. Thank you.